Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns. Filing your income tax return with the Zambia Revenue Authority, or ZRA, is a crucial annual obligation for many taxpayers. This guide will walk you through the straightforward process, ensuring you understand each step from preparation to final submission. We'll cover everything you need to know to complete your return accurately and on time, helping you meet your tax responsibilities with confidence and ease. Before you begin filing, proper preparation is key. First, ensure you have your taxpayer identification number, or TPIN, readily available. This unique 10-digit number identifies you as a taxpayer. Next, gather all your financial records, such as income statements, bank statements, and any deductible expense receipts. Finally, confirm your ZRA online portal account is active and that your login credentials are correct. This groundwork will make the actual filing process much smoother. Once prepared, log into the ZRA online portal using your TPIN and password. Navigate to the eTax section and select the correct income tax return form that applies to your specific tax obligations. Carefully enter all your financial data, including your gross income, any allowable deductions, and tax credits. Take your time to double-check every figure and ensure all sections are completed accurately. This meticulous review helps prevent errors and potential issues later on. After reviewing your return, proceed to submit it electronically through the ZRA portal. You will then receive an assessment notice, which outlines your final tax liability or any refund due. If you owe tax, make your payment promptly using one of the ZRA-approved methods, such as online banking, mobile money, or direct deposit. Always retain a copy of your submission confirmation and payment receipt for your records. This completes your annual income tax filing obligation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.